Our walk-in coolers and freezer panels for sale. First off, the overall dimensions. Panel from left to right, we have a length of 45 inches. Please note, 45 inches is from the left towards the right of the panel. Coming to the bottom will be a lip, and the lip will measure at least ½ inches. And the bottom will have a wedge. Measurements between each wedge will be at least 3 inches. And coming to the inside, we have 2½ inches. And the overall height will be 114 inches. And the thickness, we have 4 inches. Measurements apply for each of the panels included to build your own walk-in cooler or freezer. When purchasing the walk-in cooler panels from Cooler Depot, after assembling, this is how the walk-in cooler will look. Door with hinge and handle, along with the door frame, can all be purchased separate as well. Coming inside of the walk-in box, with the proper tools and resources, every panel can be connected and will be conjoined by sequence. So all the panels, everything else are connected by sequence, and with the right tools and resources, everything can be put together. Corner braces necessary for each edge and corner to connect each panel. With the proper tools and resources, this walk-in cooler can be assembled using screws, silicone, and much more. An example of the corner braces and brackets that can be purchased through Cooler Depot to assemble your walk-in coolers and freezers. Here we have a palette of assortment of brackets that can be purchased through us to assemble your walk-in cooler. One of the braces included will be a 237-inch corner, a bracket that is 118 inches in length, another 118-inch high bracket, and a 75-inch high wedge. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.